Chai, see better blood tonic oh. My body dey sweet me. Oya, come let me show you how to make it. Remove the hair-like stuff from the cocoyam's body. Wash thoroughly. Cook until it's very soft. These are the ingredients we'll need to prepare the soup. We'll be needing OHA leaves, fresh and soft. When you are buying it from the market, make sure that you get the ones that are still very fresh and soft. The Uziza leaves, also fresh, soft. Stockfish and the dry fish, which I'll be washing later with warm water. Ogiri. This is a very important flavor in the soup. Ofe Ede is not complete without this. So this is gotten from fermented castor seed. Blended crayfish, dry pepper, and blended dry Uziza seed. Seasoning cubes and salt. Goat's meat. Decided to use goat's meat today. You can use any protein that you wish to use. Red oil. And not forgetting the Ede that is already boiling. So let's start preparing the ingredients so we can start cooking. The size of pot you will use to cook the soup will determine the quantity of cocoyam you're using. So I'm using a medium sized pot, so I put water, almost half of the pot. So I'm going to put my stockfish first and let it start cooking while I prepare other ingredients. After some minutes of boiling, add the goat's meat. Little onions. Seasoning cubes. Then we cook. When the cocoyam is cooked and very soft, peel it out for pounding. And when peeling, you have to check very well that there's no spoiled one or hard one, because if you put spoiled one or anyone that is very strong, it's going to affect your soup. So every cocoyam you put to pound, it's supposed to be very soft and gummy. So we pound it until it's very smooth. Pour in the red oil, then mix very well until all the oil has infused into the cocoyam. So we've gotten our cocoyam paste. We'll keep aside until it's ready to be used. After cooking for about 10 minutes, add the dry fish. Adding it now because it's soft and it's not hard. I don't want it to scatter in the pot. Then add other ingredients: dry pepper, Uziza seed, and the crayfish. So pick out the Uziza leaves one after the other. Will not pick it out with the stalk, so just pick it out. Then the OHA leaves too, will pick it out. You can either use your knife to cut the OHA leaves, or you can use your hand. So I'll be showing you how to do the two. It's either way, anyone that is easy for you or you prefer, you do. And make sure that you could pick out the soft leaves. This is for the knife, and for the hand you can cut it into two. So you cut it into two. When washing the OHA leaves, make sure that the OHA is sealing on top so that every sand particle will go down. I chopped Uziza leaves. After cooking for about 15 minutes, add the cocoyam. Put it in bit by bit. Don't just put it in as a lump. The cocoyam is going to melt, so you have to be checking at intervals. Turn to make sure it does not burn or stick to the bottom of the pot. For the ogiri, you have to mix it with little water. Mix it, break it until every particle of it is mixed thoroughly. This will also help to extract the sand particles if there is any. And when turning it into the pot, don't turn it in completely. Leave some portion of it, because that's where the sand is. So after the cocoyam has completely melted, you put in the ogiri. Add the Uziza leaves and the OHA leaves. Cover to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. What will you use to enjoy this soup? Eba, fufu, or pounded yam? I'll be using fufu to enjoy mine. Please do try out this recipe and you'll be glad you did. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow the OHA Kitchen for more delicious delicacies. Thank you.